Whenever you install a new theme that uses featured images, it's important that you immediately resize the images on your site so that those featured images fit within the theme. That's because each theme has its own set sizes for featured images, and if those image sizes are not available, then the theme will choose the closest approximate size, and that will often end up looking pretty strange. You can see it after installing Simone on my site. If I scroll down, you'll see here on the second post, I have a featured image, but it's crunched down and jammed to the left-hand side of this header and leaves a large open white space. This is because when I wrote the post, I didn't have Simone installed, so WordPress didn't know I needed the specific size for the featured image. To remedy this problem, I'm going to install a plugin that goes through all the images on my site and resizes them to fit with what my new theme needs. So I'm going to go to the admin panel on my site, go to plugins, and click add new. And from here, I'm going to search for regenerate thumbnails. Once I install regenerate thumbnails made by Viper 007 Bond, I'll be able to regenerate all the thumbnails on my site. So now that my plugin is installed and activated, I'm going to go to tools, and I have a new option here called regenerate thumbnails. So I'll click on that option. Then I'll simply click on Regenerate All Thumbnails, and now the plugin will go through my entire site, find every single image, and resize those images to fit with my current theme. So this is a process you need to go through every time you change themes. And if you have a lot of images on your site, you can imagine this process may take a while. So if you have a large site, this might be a good time to go and grab a cup of coffee and then coming back. Now that all my images have been resized, I can go back to the front page of my site and scroll down. And now you'll see the second post here has a new sized featured image at the top that's short and wide and spans the entire width of the content. And as I scroll down, you'll see all the images for each of the posts are sized the same way. So, like I said, anytime you install a new theme, it's always a good idea to run the Regenerate Thumbnails plugin to make sure that your images that are used within your theme fit with the images that the theme needs to be able to display content properly.